Hey everyone! Today we're going to learn how to register for VAT in the UAE step by step once your business earns 375,000 dirhams. This guide is easy to follow for everyone, whether you're an accountant or a business owner. Let's get started. First, go to the Federal Tax Authority website. Click on e-services. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. Fill in your information and confirm your email address. Super easy. Next, log in to your new account and choose VAT registration. This is where it gets interesting. You'll need to give information about your business. Have your documents ready, your trade license, passport copies, and Emirates ID. You don't want to have to look for them later. Now, fill in the applicant details section. This is simple, just your basic information. Next, fill in the business details section. This includes your business name, what your business does, and its address. Double check everything to make sure it's correct. The next part is contact details. Make sure your phone number and email address are correct. This is how the FTA will contact you. After that, fill in the bank details. Enter your IBAN carefully. You'll need it to get VAT refunds. Next, we have the turnover details. This is important. You need to tell them how much money your business made in the last 12 months. Make sure these numbers match your financial records. It's important that everything matches. Finally, you'll get to the declaration section. Read it carefully and check the confirmation box. Then click submit. You'll get a confirmation email from the FTA. That's it. You're registered. Remember, following the rules is important. Keep your records organized and current. If you have any questions, the FTA website has lots of helpful information. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips. See you next time.